Don't breathe a word to a soul. It would ruin everything if anyone ever knew all the things we do when we're alone. So don't breathe a word to a soul. Don't breathe a word. Don't say a thing to anyone, especially your friends. You know how much they like to talk, and when they talk, all they tell are lies. You know I'm tired of your friends, and I'm tired of their lies. So don't breathe a word. I know the guilt is hard to take, but it will go away. And all you have to do is trust me. And all you have to do is trust me. Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? Why don't you trust me? Why don't you trust me? Don't breathe a word to a soul. Don't breathe a word to a soul. Don't breathe a word to a soul. Don't breathe a word.